Imagine you have two tables. One table lists customer names, the other table lists their orders. How do you connect this information? That's where SQL joins come in handy. Joins combine data from multiple tables. They do this by matching rows based on a shared column. This shared column is often a key, like a customer ID. Joins are essential in SQL. They let you analyze relationships in your data. They help you answer complex questions. For example, you can use a join to find out which customers have placed the most orders, or you can see which products are the most popular. Without joins, your data would be siloed. You wouldn't be able to see the bigger picture. Joins unlock the true potential of relational databases. They allow for powerful queries and insightful data analysis. There are several types of joins in SQL. Each type offers a different way to combine data. Let's explore the most common ones. First, the inner join. This join returns rows only when there's a match in both tables. Think of it as finding the intersection. Next, the left join. This join returns all rows from the left table, plus it shows matching rows from the right table. If there's no match, it fills in null values. Then we have the right join. This join is the opposite of left join. It returns all rows from the right table and matching rows from the left. Finally, the full outer join. This join combines left join and right join. It returns all rows from both tables. If there's no match, it uses null values. Let's see these joins in action with some simple examples. First, the inner join. Imagine you have a table called customers and another called orders. You want to find out which customers have placed orders. Select customers.customer ID, customers.name, orders.order ID from customers inner join. Orders on customers.customer ID equals sign orders.customer ID. This query combines rows from both tables where the customer ID matches. Next, the left join. Now you want to see all customers even if they haven't placed an order. Select customers.customer ID, customers.name, orders.order ID from customers left. Join orders on customers.customer ID equals sign orders.customer ID. This will list all customers. If they have an order, the order ID will show. If not, it will be null. Joins are the backbone of relational databases. They allow you to connect the dots between different tables. This ability to combine data is what makes SQL so powerful. Joins are used everywhere in real-world applications. Businesses use them to analyze customer behavior, track inventory, and generate reports. Data analysts rely on joins to unearth insights and make data-driven decisions. Learning SQL joins is essential for anyone working with databases. They are a fundamental concept that unlocks a world of possibilities for data analysis and manipulation.